Good morning from Grant Family Farm. It's March 24th, 2025, and it's almost 9 o'clock, and it's 56 degrees out. It is kind of pretty out here. Some big clouds, a lot of blue in the sky though. Sun's shining, so right now it's nice. Morning, piggies. Good morning, Bella. I don't see no babies. All right, everybody's fed. I'll go ahead and top off the waters next. Happy goats. Happy pigs. Happy little pigs. I'm not sure why she's in here crying. You have hay. You don't need grain yet. You can't just live off of grain. You have to eat the hay too. Everyone's watered. And we're set for right now. Sure is a beautiful day. I'll have to go take my jacket off. Pretty warm out. Hopefully the weather holds and I get some more stuff done around here. More spring cleaning. CJ. He's happy to see me. Yeah. What are you doing, CJ? So let me out.